Hello everyone! I'm Maria Morales and I'm a college freshman from the University of South Florida. On this project, I'm gonna take you to explore the air potato, which is an invasive species of plants that was introduced to Florida in 1905. For this project, I decided to visit different locations in which I could possibly find the air potato. The air potato is a non-native invasive plant. This is how the air potato looks, with a heart-like shape and little sprouts that look like potatoes. According to the Invasive Plant Atlas of the United States, this plant can grow into big masses of weeds, and these weeds can get and cover out everything that is beneath them and kill it. That's why it's very dangerous for other plants, and that's why it destroys other communities. An interesting fact is that here in Florida you can only find female air potatoes, and they don't flower as much. Now, let's talk more about the air potato. The air potato, a member of the yam family, can grow as long as 70 feet tall. Yes, it can cover the tallest trees. What impact does the air potato has on other species? Well, the air potato can grow a lot in a day. It grows really quickly, up to 8 inches in one day. Well, the air potato has the tendency of grow super tall and cover other species, and everything that is underneath can die. The air potato grows in these dense masses of vines, covering everything that it can reach. When the air potato produces those famous little potatoes and they fall on the ground, they can give birth to more plants and it spreads really quickly, for which it's very important to take care of this and prevent it as quickly as possible. Now let's talk about the air potato's native environment. According to Intruders in Paradise, a guide for teachers, air potatoes don't like growing near the sea, nor they like salt. Also, air potatoes, original from Asia, then going all the way to Africa and then coming here to America, return to invade hardwood forests, or big groups of trees and bushes. They also are mostly found in tropical areas, that's why it's very popular here in Florida. Let's talk now about how this is being taken care of. According to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, invasive plants degrade and diminish Florida's conservation lands and waterways. But what's being done about it? Well, there is this invasive plant management. The one in Florida is one of the largest in the nation. This section oversees the largest invasive plant management program of its kind in the United States. So there is something being done about it. Now, according to the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences, prevention is key for the management of the air potato. One of the most useful ways to manage and to control the spread of the air potatoes is through the air potato runout. This is a thing in which many counties of Florida participate, and volunteers, communities, and individual organizations get together in order to collect the vines and the bulbs of the air potato to prevent its spread all around everywhere. Hello, here I am on the Botanical Garden at USF on the search for the air potato. We've been looking around on several places following this map that was given to me by the groundskeeper of the garden. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to find an air potato yet, but we keep on the search. As I was talking to Mr. Kevin, one of the members of the botanical garden, I asked him more about the air potatoes and if they were doing any damage to the community, to the other community of plants. He told me that I could possibly find some of them in the areas that are not being taken care of by humans and by the gardeners. But he also told me that in some areas there were some little air potatoes in a special quantity, which means there were enough to keep diversity within the community, but not as many that it could disrupt the activity and the living of other plants. Unfortunately, when I went there to the botanical garden, I couldn't find myself the air potato. on the search for the air potato in Citrus Park. It appears that we have found the remains of an air potato. It's hard to tell, but we can see the shape of what it seems like an air potato over here. Here. This seems to be the leaf of an air potato. It has a heart shape, a heart-like shape, but most of it seems to be dead, and just reminds of it what's left over here. You can appreciate the beauty of Florida parks. The early detection and distribution mapping system was a useful and really important tool to me that allowed me to complete this project. With it, I was able to find the different locations in Tampa Bay area in which I could possibly find the air potatoes. This website gave me the opportunity to go and find some air potatoes in the Tampa Bay area. It's called the Early Detection and Distribution of Mapping Systems. And here, by clicking over here on Tampa, I was able to see all the different registrations of the air potato in the area. For example, this one by Lake Magdalene was published in the 20th of October of 2005.